rug down because I don't want to ruin my floor with my chair. No piles. There's no piles. So yeah, thank you so much. If you're new here, thank you for joining in. If you are not new here, thank you for supporting me for so long. And I stream Monday through Thursday. Bye. What's the hot item? No burp again. There it is. Sorry. Excuse me. My bad. It's the most I've paid for a game in a while. Other than just VR. It's so weird that we're here now. You guys do. Oh, so does Cinnamon. Cinnamon does that. Take your vitamin. Okay. Excuse me. I know. It's a Thursday, so I don't want to start. Sorry, I'm so burpy today. What we are going to do together?
Donated $5 per.
I wasn't always a wolf. I had to make these claws.
And we could go around Fight Night way. I almost got a virus on my computer. On Twitch, they're Miss Jackie CR. Yeah.
The duo's acting.
Depends on how much.
Blaze it out, thanks.
Anime. Well, that's fine. I'll. It's so blue in my room now. That's like. So I've been thinking after I get vaccinated, I'm like, excuse me. This is the literature club. Like, I could, like, it could be next year. And then there's a bunch of ornaments.
Run around.
Shit.
I came up with a comeback. Listen here, you little
Honestly, Napkin, either or.
777 and trillion 7.
I was like, oh, I'll just take melatonin or something, but that scares me more. Where the fuck did everybody come from? Like, it takes like half of your life to make like fucking tacos on that game. We're
more.
Excuse me. Things where it's at. We all start somewhere. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect Bones to.
No fucking way. I super appreciate it as always. We're at a really good part.